Okay, in this video we're just going to show you very briefly some of the most important parts of the gears and the chain that you need to lubricate before each major journey, especially if you're doing an off-road journey that involves gritty tracks and so on. So we're talking about the derailleur gears here, the chain and the front cogs here. The things you'll need is an old cloth to mop up oil. There are lots of different types of bike oil, very expensive, but personally you can get away with using some 3-in-1 oil and some 3-in-1 spray oil. These are both cheap to buy. It's best to have a bike stand if you've got one. If not, use an alternative. You can lift the bike off the ground using a block of wood or get a friend to hold it. Okay, having the bike off the ground means that you can rotate the pedals and run the chain while you oil it. The best place to oil the chain is by holding the oil can against the frame at the back of the bike so that the oil runs continuously over the chain. The other areas that are important to oil are the mechanisms on the front derailleur, and you can see these have been oiled already, and also some of the mechanisms on the rear derailleur. All the moving parts and the screws should need a good coat of oil, and it's probably a good idea to spray the cogs on the back and front derailleurs and just use a cloth to wipe up the excess.